Hello, we are the Tiger Techs from Armstrong Middle School. We are here in our television studio with a special report to tell you what's so cool about manufacturing.
That's right, Leah. Our team traveled to Chalmersville, PA to visit Broccolante Manufacturing Group. Check it out.
Here at Broccolante, we make parts for Harley Davidson, Streamlight, a couple of defense companies, a little bit of everything.
I'm a CNC operator / machinist. I started taking CAD classes in middle school, and I had a neighbor that was a machinist, and he had a really nice truck, and the one day I noticed he put new wheels on there. So I went over and asked him where he got them, and he goes, I made them. He told me to start looking into CAD classes, or when you get toward the high school level, you can take a VOTEC program.
I work in the tool room. The tool room covers specialized tooling and fixturing to keep machines running.
I get to program the job, actually take the job out to the machine, prove out a program before it even gets passed on to an operator to run.
Part of my job is keeping up with maintenance of the machine. These are battery terminals for electric vehicles. Part of that is also changing the filter so we don't have any issues that could cause an uphold in production.
I work in our quality department, and I work with any outside company that helps us manufacture. One of the reasons I went into engineering was because of my mom. She was a chemical engineer. In her day, she was one of 5 at Penn State.
I take a piece of material that's only worth its weight, and I cut pieces off of it or add something to it, and it turns into something that's worth 20, 50, 100, 1,000 times that.
To be able to be a part of something that somebody's going to use in their everyday life is just fantastic.
You will always make an impact when you're in manufacturing.
I was very interested in Legos, all that kind of building type things. I think that definitely helped me become interested in physics, manufacturing, anything to do with that building, figuring out how things work.
Manufacturing is in everything around you.
Everything you see or touch
Was manufactured in some way, shape, or form.
Even the food you eat has to go through so many different machines.
You joining the manufacturing industry, you're just joining the change that you're going to see in the world.
Wow, Leah, I didn't know manufacturing was so important to everyday life.
Yeah, we wouldn't be able to survive without it.
For more information on manufacturing in our area, check out what'ssocool.org.
Thanks for tuning into the Armstrong News Network.